If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 to your PC to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. You can connect your phone to your computer via USB cable, just like that. And of course, at first you will start charging the phone. So what we need to do is we need to go to notifications, and then here we have USB for charging phone. You want to tap on that, and you want to switch use USB for transferring files / Android Auto, and you might need to verify yourself with the fingerprint sensor or the screen lock password. And now we can go to our computer, and then you should be able to find your Z Flip 8 quite easily. Here we have the internal storage, and you can easily find all your photos, videos, documents, audio files, and everything that you have on your phone. Usually photos are found here in the DCIM folder in the camera, and that is pretty much it. Now you can easily transfer everything from your phone to your computer or the other way around. Now, of course, while USB cable is definitely the best and the most, the easiest, I guess, method to transfer files and connect to PC, there is also the link to Windows. So if you go to Settings and then choose Connected Devices, then you should be able to find link to Windows over here. This is an alternative that allows you to connect to your computer, to your Windows, of course, wirelessly. However, I just think the USB cable is just definitely the most convenient way to do so. Still, if you want to give it a try, you can of course sign into your computer on your phone, ideally by using a QR code. So you can go over here and grant permissions, and let me show you how to get the QR code. And you can get the QR code by opening the Phone Link app on your Windows computer. Over here you want to choose Android, and then you will generate a QR code that you need to scan, and then follow instructions that you will see on both your phone and your computer to finalize this, and you should be able to connect wirelessly. But like I said, definitely USB is the most reliable one, the most convenient one, and so on. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.